dearest creatures in creation, study English pronunciation. I'll teach you in my verse, sounds like corpse, core, horse and worse. I will keep you Susie busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I? Oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dies and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and Britain. Mind the latter, how it is written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plaque and ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak, cloven, oven, and low, script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore, typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and reveals, scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, war and far, one, anemone, balmoral, kitchen, and leakin, laundry, L'Oreal, Gertrude, German wind, mind seen, melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet, bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Viscous, viscount, load and broad, toward to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve, friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy privy, famous clamor, and enemer, rhyme with hammer, river rival, tomb and bome, coom, doll, roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but foul, haunt but ant, font, front, won't, want, grand and grant, shoes, goes, and does. Now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger, real, zeal, mauve, gauze, gouge, engage, marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dost and lost, post and doth, cloth, loth, job, knob, bosom, ransom, and oath. Though the difference seem little, we say actual but victual. Refer does not rhyme with defer. Fever does and suffer. Heifer, mint, pint. Senate and sedate. Dull, bull, and George ate late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heave and heaven. Rachel, ache, mustache, 11. We say hallowed but aloud. People lubbered, toad but vowed. Mark the difference, moreover, between mover, cover, clover, and leeches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police and lice. Camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm. Chaise, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor, tour but hour and sucker, for gas, alas, and Arkansas, see idea, Korea, area, Sam, Maria, but malaria, youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean, doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion, Sally with alley, ye and yeah, I, a, way and key, say ever, but ever, fever, neither, leisure, skein, deceiver, heron, granary, canary, crevice, device, and airy. Face but preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic ass, glass, base. Large but target. Gin, give, virgin. Ought, out, joust and scour and scourging. Ear but earn and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with here but err. 7 is right, but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew Stephen, monkey, donkey, chirk and jerk, ask, grasp, wasp and cork and work. Pronunciation, think of psyche, is a paling, stout and spiky. Want it make you lose your wits? Writing groats and saying grits? It is a dark abyss, or tunnel, strewn with stones, starred solace, gunnel, Islington an isle of white, housewife, verdict and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough? Though, through, plow, or dough, or cuff. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. Actually, my advice is not to give up. كان معكم قراءة في واحدة من أصعب القصائد في اللغة الإنجليزية، تسمى The Chaos. كتبت في فترة 1922 للكاتب جيرارد نولست ترينيتي in 1992. كان يوضح من هذه القصيدة مدى تعقيد اللفظ في كلمات اللغة الإنجليزية. الكل يدعي أن لغته صعبة، لكن بالحقيقة كل اللغات فيها جوانب معقدة كل ما تعمقنا فيها. أتمنى هذه تأخذها من باب التسلية، تتدرب عليها، تشوف كيفية اللفظ مالتها، تعيدها 5 مرات 10 مرات 15 20 مرة لحد ما يكون عندك لفظ صحيح لهذه الكلمات. كان معكم مدرب اللغة وليد خالد، ربي يحفظكم.